So, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel where we discuss all things Golf Wang and streetwear. And in today's video, we have a pretty quick video. As you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my brand new Cyber Monday mystery boxes from Golf Wang. Now, if any of you guys did see a video I uploaded a couple of weeks ago, I believe it was, I actually did an unboxing already of a lot of mystery boxes from Golf Wang that I actually picked up at the Day in Vegas Music Festival at the little golf booth that they had there. So whenever they did the actual Cyber Monday mystery boxes, I decided to take it a little bit lighter than I usually do, just because I already had so many things that I bought while I was in Vegas. So I decided to take it a little bit light this time. So I only have one mystery box to unbox today. But without further ado, guys, let's just go ahead and get straight into the video, unboxing my brand new mystery box from Golf Wang. So most of the time when I get mystery boxes from Golf, I never keep what I actually get because it's so rare for me to get one of the pieces that I would actually want to keep and wear like in a daily rotation. But this year I actually lucked out. So if you guys did see my last video that I was talking about where I did a whole like haul of the mystery boxes, and you guys know that I actually pulled the Sherpa fleece jacket in the lavender colorway, and I've worn that jacket a ton of times. I've wanted a Sherpa fleece jacket for like forever, and I did not expect to actually get another piece from a mystery box that I was actually going to keep in my personal collection. But believe it or not, I actually did get something from this mystery box that I'm going to keep. And once again, believe it or not, it's actually an accessory. So the accessory that I pulled is actually the silk scarf in this kiwi colorway. So these dropped, I cannot remember for the life of me. I know for a fact that it was one of the seasons in 2018, but I don't remember whether it was the winter 18 or the autumn 18 drop. And silk scarves, or just like honestly scarves in general, are something that I absolutely love wearing. It's a nice simple accessory and it can really add a lot to an outfit in a really subtle and simple way. So I do love these. I do already own the gelato silk scarf that I wear religiously. So I do already own one of these silk scarves, and I was debating on picking one up from the last GOLF le FLEUR drop, and I'm actually pretty happy that I decided to pass up on it, because pulling this, I actually absolutely love the colors of this one, and I've been wanting to add another one of these into the rotation of my wardrobe for a while now. So I was really happy to get this accessory. I was really expecting just to get like a keychain or something. So pulling that was really awesome. All right, and coming up next, getting into the two Kunso pieces that I got. I actually got two different crew necks from this mystery box. The first one that I got is this light blue colorway of the Think Golf crew neck, but I was actually a fan of this crew neck. I thought it was a really simple, really nice graphic, and I liked all the colorways that this came in. The only problem is, a lot of you have probably heard me say this already, but golf crew necks actually fit me like really weird. So if I go true to size, they fit me really tight, and if I size up, they're like super baggy and they just look weird. So I never really actually hang on to golf crew necks or anything, but I do really like this one. But yeah, guys, that is my first pickup, the Think Golf crew neck. All right, finishing out the mystery box, the final crew neck that I got is this Golf Basics crew neck in this peach. They're calling it a creamsicle and brown colorway. Believe it or not, guys, I actually love the colorway of this crew neck. I think this orange and the brown look really good together. And if you guys did see my last video I uploaded doing an unboxing of the new nail polish from Le FLEUR, I think the orange nail polish would look amazing with this. And I don't actually own any Golf Basics items, so I do really love the colorway of this one. So I am debating on holding on to this one. Like I said, I'll have to try it on and just see how it works with me. It's a really nice piece, and it comes in an amazing colorway, and it would fit like beautifully with my wardrobe because I've been wanting to play around a lot with these kind of orange type colorways. So I'm debating on holding on to this one as well. But yeah, guys, this is my next pull, the mini golf logo crew neck in this creamsicle colorway. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap this video up. Like I said, it's been a really quick one because I did only get one mystery box this year compared to getting like 2 or 3 most of the time, just because I bought so much stuff in Vegas. Definitely let me know what you guys thought about this mystery box, and definitely comment below and let me know what you guys pulled from a Golf Wang mystery box if you guys did decide to pick some up from the Cyber Monday drop. But that'll wrap this video up, guys. As always, if you like this kind of content and you would like to see more, definitely like this video and subscribe to the channel. I have a ton of golf and streetwear content coming moving forward. Thanks so much for checking this out. I'll see you in the next one.